Good evening. I'm in my office again. This is Affiliate Marketing Solutions, Pastor Dennis Clark. I just wanted to do a quick video on about Navy Federal Credit Union, the truth about Navy Federal Credit Union. Well, my experience has been, I'm a military veteran, served in the United States military for almost 11 years, and I joined back in 2021. And since I've joined, I've heard so many different things about it and the hacks and so forth. But this is just the truth about what my experiences has been. And I joined, and I was looking forward to a lot of great things from Navy Federal. At this point, that I have not seen. I'm not saying it's not there, not a good credit union. I'm just saying the things that I've experienced and what I've gone through has not been what I had expected it to be. Maybe a lot of folks have had great success, but my success has been very limited. I've heard different ones that you can go and join, and then 3 months after you get a secure card, and then after that they would possible to look at your account. Well, and then raise it and unsecured. Well, I come to tell you that that's not true. It may have been true, or once upon a time, or I don't know what the situation is, but I come to tell you that that is not true. I got the card last year, been with Navy Federal for 9 statements, and they still have not released it. They still have not unsecured it. Always paid it on time, uh, never been late or anything like that, and did a great job of paying it. Called them a bunch of times. And I don't know if something is changing with them or the policies, but I got the information straight from one of the supervisors, and he told me that well, I wanted to say this. I had got conflicting information from different sources. So what I did was, this is my advice to you, is to go to a supervisor and to directly to the source, because I was given conflicted information. And I talked to a young lady. They were all usually all very nice. Niceness was not a problem, but this is not about niceness. It's about business. And she told me one thing, and it was not true when I talked to the supervisor and was told a different thing. And he told me after the 6 months that they do start reviewing the accounts on a monthly basis. So right off from the start, I was told after 3 months. And once again, I just want to reiterate that that's not the situation. So I would tell you to do your due diligence when you're dealing with them, and I'm sure that that they're a good credit union. I just haven't seen it work to my favor yet. After being a member for 21, 22, 23, going on the third year, and I'm still having issues. Had multiple loans, or multiple loans with them. It's just not what it cracked up to be, what it was said to be. And once again, like I said, it may have worked for others. And at this point, I'm really kind of disappointed in the results that I have received from them. And I heard about people's scores were much lower than what my scores are, getting approved and for thousands of dollars in unsecured card. Well, to me, it's all like a fable or myth, because it has not happened. So I just want to tell the real truth about the experiences that I have had, and hopefully your experience is different. And then once again, yeah, you need to be to join. You need to be a military or affiliated with someone with the military, or you may have. I think it's still possible to have someone that's living in the same place with you as a roommate or something, and that way. But I've also heard stories too about people, trying to get affiliated, and if you're not military or have military people that's in your family, something to that effect, then you I would not really be trying to go outside and get other things done, because it may end up coming back to haunt you, or coming back and being counseled or whatever. So there's other places too that you can join, other credit unions that I heard of over my years that are really good, like PenFed. I heard they were real good, and some others. But like I say, the real truth about what I have gone through with Navy Federal, it has at this point had not been a very positive experience. And once again, I'm saying that it's not saying that it has not been positive for others, but for me, it has not been what I expected it to be. And as far as them trying to help you build your credit, and so forth. Like I said, joined, been going on the third year, and I said, done all those things, do it the pledge loan, do it multiple pledge loan, 4,500 different ones, paid them off all on time. Have built a relationship with the bank. Have CDs, multiple accounts, savings, checking, business accounts. I mean, just a plethora of different accounts that I have. And at this point, it has not wavered in my favor. And I've really been disappointed with the progress at this point. Matter of fact, I've thought about several times just pulling all of my money out of the account and just said forget it. But the supervisor did tell me to try to just hold on a little while and then see how it works out, and then maybe things will change. But up until this point, I once again, I say that have not been satisfied with the product. Other than the people have been very nice, and I appreciate that. So just been on my mind. I said, let me get on here and just do this video and just give people something what's going on from what I have received about Navy Federal. Amen. Once again, this is about knowledge. I come to talk about credit, businesses. I own a business. We own more than several businesses. I own a business, and my wife who owns a clothing store, Weedy Classic Clothing. Actually, I've been trucking over 30 years in DC Express 901 LLC, and so I know something about what I'm talking about. But I just wanted to leave a few notes on that. And if you have any questions or comments about my statements, I would love to hear from you and love to converse with you, because this is a knowledge channel. I'm about trying to help people, and I want to see people, work for themselves, get their own business, because the government, they really do want you to own your own business, because they're going to get paid, but then hopefully you're going to get paid in the meantime. You get different tax breaks and so forth. So just wanted to share another one of those videos that came across my mind. I just wanted to share that with you, and I hope that information helps someone. Like I say, once again, if you want to, love to hear your comments. You can reach out to us, or comment on the channel. And what do you think about those comments? So that's all I have for now. I just wanted to do that very briefly, and I hope you have a wonderful evening, a blessed evening, and we'll see you on the next one. That's all I have.